You asked for iftar recipes in Malayalam? I've got you covered. Let's make your Ramadan evenings unforgettable with flavors that hit all the right notes. If you've ever struggled with boring iftar options, this is for you. First, let's talk pazham pori, a classic. Slice ripe bananas lengthwise, dip them in a batter of maida, flour, sugar, a pinch of turmeric, and fry them up. Crispy on the outside, sweet on the inside. Total crowd pleaser. If that feels too predictable, upgrade to ununakkeri, broken wheat porridge with coconut. Cook roasted wheat in coconut milk, water, and jaggery. It has this velvety richness that makes you feel instantly comforted. Want something savory? Kozhi is my go-to. It's spiced chicken stuffed into a fried pastry pocket. Think of it like an empanada, but loaded with Malayali spices. Perfect for dipping in coconut chutney. How about some meen cutlets, fish cutlets? Steam up some tuna or mackerel, shred it, and mix it with mashed potatoes, onions, garlic, and garam masala. Roll them in breadcrumbs and fry. These never last long on the table. Now, do not underestimate uluvavada, fenugreek fritters. It's an old recipe that's ridiculously underrated. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight, grind them with onions, chili, and curry leaves, then deep fry. The taste is unexpectedly addictive. For a dessert spin, go with chakka varatti spring rolls. Hear me out, jackfruit halwa wrapped in thin sheets like a spring roll and shallow fried. Serve with condensed milk on the side, and people will ask you for the recipe. And blend fresh ice apple, coconut water, a bit of lime, and sugar. It's like a tropical hug in a glass. Trust me, this drink is the VIP of summer iftars. Now for color. Rice flour, jaggery, fried onions, and coconut bits combined into a steamed perfection. It feels like dessert, but can be savory too, depending on how you spice it. It plays both sides. Then there's kappa biryani, tapioca biryani. Cooked tapioca is mashed and layered with spicy coconut-infused beef. It's heavy, intense, and perfect for when you're extra hungry after fasting all day. Feeling fancy? Is your wild card. It's like a pancake lasagna, layered with egg, chicken, or sweet filling, depending on your mood. It's a bit prep-heavy, but the payoff is huge. Don't forget kanji, spiced rice porridge. This humble dish is made with roasted rice flour, coconut, cardamom, and fenugreek. It brings this earthy, nostalgic flavor that makes me want to call up my grandmother. Lastly, ghee cake for dessert. It's soft, spongy, and indulgent. Made with rava, semolina, sugar, ghee, and eggs, it's absolutely foolproof. Plus, it's the kind of thing even kids will devour.